In Contagious, Jonah Berger explores the science behind why certain ideas, products, or behaviors spread virally while others don't. Drawing on extensive research, Berger breaks down the factors that contribute to making content contagious, emphasizing how word of mouth and social transmission drive success more effectively than traditional advertising. The core of the book revolves around 6 principles, summarized as steps, which form a framework for making products, ideas, or messages more likely to be shared and go viral. 1. Social currency. People share things that make them look good. If something enhances a person's status or reputation among their peers, they are more likely to talk about it. Berger explains that businesses and individuals can leverage social currency by offering exclusive information, creating scarcity, or making a product appear as an insider secret. The key is making people feel special for sharing. 2. Triggers. Triggers are stimuli that prompt people to think about or talk about a product or idea. A well-designed product or campaign stays top of mind because it is linked to frequent everyday occurrences or objects. Berger uses examples like Kit Kat's association with coffee to illustrate how aligning a product with something habitual or frequent can lead to more conversations and shares. 3. Emotion. Content that evokes strong emotions, whether positive or negative, is more likely to be shared. However, it is not just any emotion that triggers sharing, but high arousal emotions like excitement, anger, or awe. When people feel deeply about something, they are compelled to share it. Berger explains that businesses should create emotional connections to their products by telling compelling stories or highlighting awe-inspiring features. 4. Public people tend to imitate what they see others doing, so making your product or idea visible to others is crucial. Berger emphasizes the importance of designing products that advertise themselves, using examples like the Apple logo being prominently displayed on laptops. When something is more public and observable, it becomes easier to imitate and therefore more likely to spread. 5. Practical value. People like to share useful information that can help others. Content that offers valuable tips, advice, or solutions to problems has a higher chance of being shared. Berger advises creating easily shareable, actionable insights or tips that others can quickly use or pass along, such as life hacks or how-to videos. 6. Stories. People are natural storytellers, and ideas embedded within compelling narratives are more likely to be passed along. Berger notes that rather than pushing a product directly, businesses should craft stories where the product plays an integral role, much like the Trojan horse strategy. The story itself becomes the vessel for the message, allowing it to spread naturally. In conclusion, Contagious offers practical, research-based insights for anyone looking to make their product, service, or idea go viral. By understanding and applying these 6 principles, businesses can generate more word-of-mouth exposure, build brand awareness, and create content that resonates deeply with their target audience.